Hey guys, listen carefully, okay? So hope you do not miss this video, okay? So then you could see we could actually make a huge profit, massive profit for the Go market in the coming weeks, okay? So please don't miss this video, okay? So why I say that? So let us break down this Go market, okay? This one is a daily time frame, alright? So let us go to top-down analysis. We go to the monthly, okay? So monthly time frame here, candle, what can we see? Okay, this 4 months before, okay? So it tried to attempt the new all-time high, okay, and then reject bullish here, okay? So the next month actually close doji, okay? So usually attempt to go up and then go down again and reject at the middle here. So is to undecisive, okay? So the last month actually attempt again bullish, okay? And then close back doji back, okay? And this month actually try to attempt another time bullish, okay? So you could actually indicate to us Go is actually attempting to go up again, all right? So we go to the weekly again. So weekly, as we can see, overall Go is still doing a bullish trend, right? So you can see actually still going this one high, lower high, okay, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, okay, and then another time higher high and then lower high again. And then if we put a trend line, if we put a trend line here, so we can see that Go actually is attempting going up. All right, okay, so now we go to a smaller time frame, which is daily time frame. Okay, so daily time frame here, guys, what can you see? What can you see from daily time frame? Okay, so again, if we put a trend line over here, you put a trend line over here, so basically you can see that Go is still respecting the trend line, bullish uptrend, right? So you can see from here, okay, this one is a first touch over here, right? First touch, first, second, all right, and then this one third, fourth, still respecting the trend line, so rejecting from the trend line here and then resume up here, okay? And then another thing, if you did watch the last week video, then he actually mentioned that in the daily time frame there's a two huge supply zone over here, right? Because of the bearish engulfing here, okay? One is here, another one is here. So you can see that Go actually attempt break this first the supply zone and then actually attempting to break the second zone, okay? Another thing we can see from here is, okay, if we go to this we put another trend line over here. Trend line is for us to see the market directions, okay? Okay, we put over here, guys. What can you see over here? What can you see? What can you see? Okay, what can you see? Go, this one is actually is a trend line, right? Two trend line here, okay? So Go is actually doing a compression, eventually break up from this trend line here, from this trend line here, okay? And if we go to H4 time frame, also the same thing, okay? So this one is a first trend line, first touch, second, third, fourth, eventually break up, okay? Eventually break up, come back to retest here again, now go fly off, right? So what can we actually conclude from here? Means Go actually has attempted the breakup, okay? Has attempted the breakup. So you can see from here, okay? If we go back to the daily, so we could foresee Go has a much more potential to go up all the way up here, okay? So if we put another one trend line over here, so you can see that Go have the potential to reach to the top over here, okay? Go has the potential to, this one is a overall bigger trend line in a daily time frame, okay? So this one actually in a smaller time frame breakup, so Go has the potential to continue up over to reach to the top trend line here. So if we measure from here, okay, if we measure from here to here, we could easily, for coming next week, okay, we could easily have almost a 700 pips more to go up to this third trend line over here, okay? Because Go has the potential to reach to the third trend line here, okay? Because this one is first touch, second, and this one could have potential for the third touch, okay? All right, so that's all for today, guys. So make sure you do not miss this opportunity, okay, for the coming week in Go market. All right, thank you, see you then.